Hey everybody, it's Monty, it's geometry, and it's time to review. Now before we give you a full-blown module final test, we would like you to practice one, okay? So let's get started. The equation x equals -2 is graphed. X equals yep, straight up and down. X equals -2. Draw the perpendicular to x equals 2 that passes through the point +8, -4. +8, -4, and we want the perpendicular. There we go. Zoom. Okay? Write the equation for what you just drew. Y, that's not a very good Y. Y equals -4. Y equals -4. Draw a line parallel to x equal 2 that passes through the point -9, +3. -9, +3, straight up and down, with an equation of x equals -9. All right. Construct a copy. Okay, so we're just going to put a dot. We measure it. Draw and connect. Anywhere is fine. Okay? Construct the perpendicular bisector. Spin an arc. Connect the two dots. Okay? All right. Determine the perimeter. Okay? Distance around. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6. 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 is 10 plus 12 equals 22 units. All right, determine the area. Area is length times width, so we'll have 5 times 6, 30. All right. Next, find the length of each side. You only have to do 1 or 2. Okay, so let's go here. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 squared plus 5 squared. Take the square root. That's equal to D. Switch colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. 1 squared plus 4 squared is D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 squared plus 8 squared, take the square root. All right. Pick any of those. All right, the equation of the line passing through the point is parallel. Parallel. Same slope. 1/2 becomes 1/2. So y minus, y minus y equals mx minus x. Y minus 3 equals 1/2. X minus 8. Perpendicular. So we have 3/4. The opposite reciprocal. -4/3. Okay? So y minus 9 equals -4/3 x minus a minus 6. Some of you might write that y minus 9 equals -4/3 x plus 6. All right. Distance formula. Use the distance formula to determine the length of the segment whose endpoints are. Okay, so again, I wasn't very good at this at your age, so I got 3, -16, -14, -9, gap 7, gap 17. D is nothing more than 17 squared plus 7 squared. Take the square root. Okay? All right. And if you want to do it this way, you can. So we're just going to go d equals square root negative 16 minus 9 squared plus 3 minus a minus 9. Minus a minus, minus a minus. Okay? Squared d equals negative 16 plus 9. Minus a minus is a plus. d equals 7 squared plus 12 squared. Minus 14. 14 minus a minus 14. That's 17. Mess that up. Mess that up. 17 squared. There we go. Okay, so we got the same answer twice. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and then we'll have a little practice quiz on our next video if that's your thing.